10 health benefits of cayenne pepper no one told you about. Cayenne pepper, with its fiery flavor and vibrant red hue, is not just a spice that adds a kick to your favorite dishes. It's also a powerhouse of health benefits. While many people are familiar with its ability to spice up a meal, the medicinal properties of cayenne pepper often go unnoticed. From improving digestion to boosting heart health, here are 10 remarkable health benefits of cayenne pepper that you may not have known about. Digestive aid. Cayenne pepper stimulates the production of saliva, which kickstarts the digestive process. It also aids in the production of gastric juices, enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption. Metabolism booster. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for cayenne pepper's heat, has been shown to increase metabolism by raising the body's core temperature. This can lead to enhanced calorie burning and weight loss. Pain relief. Topical applications of cayenne pepper have been used for centuries to alleviate pain. Capsaicin blocks the transmission of pain signals, providing relief from conditions such as arthritis, muscle pain, and headaches. Heart health. Cayenne pepper is beneficial for heart health as it helps to lower blood pressure and improve circulation. It also reduces the risk of blood clots by preventing platelet aggregation. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate inflammation throughout the body. Detoxification. Cayenne pepper stimulates circulation and sweating, which aids in the detoxification process. It helps the body eliminate toxins and waste more efficiently, promoting overall health and well-being. Improved blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that cayenne pepper may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Enhanced immunity. The high content of vitamins A and C in cayenne pepper helps strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off bacteria and viruses. Digestive ulcer prevention. Contrary to popular belief, cayenne pepper may actually help prevent digestive ulcers by stimulating the production of protective stomach mucosa. This can reduce the risk of developing ulcers caused by factors such as stress or certain medications. Cancer prevention. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that capsaicin in cayenne pepper may have anti-cancer properties. It has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, cell death, in various types of cancer. Cayenne pepper into your diet is an easy and delicious way to reap its numerous health benefits. Whether sprinkled on food, added to sauces and marinades, or taken in supplement form, this spicy superfood can support your overall health and well-being. However, it's essential to consume cayenne pepper in moderation, especially if you have a sensitive stomach or are not accustomed to spicy foods. As with any dietary change or supplement, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right approach for your individual needs.